Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of The Perfect Idol's Guides to Fall, Chapter 3. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Windy and Wang Shu. Windy, she's taking off the mail from the mailbox. Look at her. Seems to be there's a big letter for today. Windy said, when she took off the letter, who sent it from? The sender's names and the address are not written. Oh, it seems that this letter is really suspicious. That's why she wanted to open it. But suddenly, when she opened the letter, she was in shock. There's something that's written on the red dot. Hurry, has your backup plan did not succeed. We're gonna expose you. Turns out someone's from the black van sending her a letter. It's like teasing her. She will be exposed sooner. This, Windy said to herself. Sister, why are you so in daze? If you don't leave quickly, you're going to be late. Well, when she looked back, she's seeing Wanshu. And Windy suddenly take off the letter again. And said to Windy, let's go. And the two of them are walking on the street when she see a trash can. Windy, she rashly threw the letter on the trash can, seen by Wang Shu. And Wang Shu right now, it makes sense. She really got curious. She looked back and picked up the mail quickly. She picked up the mail. Wang Shu rashly read the letter. She discovered this is, someone's followed my sister and threatened to take the pictures. So someone's gonna expose her. How can Wang Shu help Windy to solve this? Training is over. Sister, wait for me. I'm going back to the dormitory. Let's go together. Windy said to her, good. After practicing and rehearsal, the two of them walks together on the street. Look at them. The two of them are really looking good. And someone's might got attention, but suddenly there's someone's following them. Look at the man behind them. He was wearing a mask and holding a camera and acting like, in any chance, he will take a photos of the two of them. I don't believe you have any shortcomings in Windy's private. If ever I find clues, I will definitely take you off the captain's position. So it turns out this man. It really came with him. I have to think of the way to get sisters away. She was thinking hard how to lose attentions of Windy to hers. Right now, since the two of them are holding hands, Windy suddenly looked at Wanshu and says Wanshu, I'm thirsty and I want to drink water, but my feet hurt a little. Wanshu said to Windy, looking at her. She was really acting a little coquettish. Could you please buy a bottle for me? Well, of course, seeing her face like that, Windy, she will never rejected her. Right now, well, you are waiting here. I'll buy it for you. Windy said to her. Windy, it seems that she doesn't know that someone's following them. She was acting naturally. After Windy going away to buy water, Wangshu suddenly looked back just to find the culprit. And here's the man. He probed herself. Wangshu can really notice her. Well, this man looked like he really hates Windy. On the other hand, the man seems to be surprised that Wang Shu suddenly popped in. Have you been filming anything for so long? Wang Shu said to the man. Looking at it right now, Wang Shu, she grabbed the man's hands. Look at her. She was really serious. Well, she really needed to defend her sister. She grabbed the man's hands and took it on mid-air. Oh, she was really strong. Looking at the man, was really falling from the mid-air. Finally, it floors on the floor. It was really a loud bang. Wang Shu, is she really strong like that? Martial artist? Well, what a cool girl she is. Right now, when the man fall down, Wang Shu was holding him. She wants to ask him a lot of questions. Right now, Wang Shu, she took off the camera. Is that the intimidation photo you sent our captain? Wang Shu said to the man. Now, she is scanning the photos on the man's camera. You better be honest. I've already called the police. But the man seems to be refusing. You, the man's still angry. Wants to take the camera back. Oh, a candid photos of our captain. It's so many photos pieces. You want to take the opportunity to spread humors. Now, Wang Shu. She thinks that if she take off memory card, well, the man seems to have no picture at all. She really take off the memory card from the camera. Right now, she put back the camera to the man. Well, the camera seems to fall down on the floor. Turns out Wang Shu, she was really tricky person. Although right now, Wang Shu said to him, "What should I do? Now, you have no chance." Well, this is Wang Shu getting tricky. Still, the memory was in her hands. The man said, "I will defeat you." Oh, the man seems to be furious. Right now, he's going to attack her. Well, suddenly, police come in time. Wang Shu and the man still having an argument, but it's good now that the police came in. And looking at it, Windy also came in. Police running towards them. Police said, "Don't move. I want to hold the man." Well, it was Wang Shu. She ran fast towards Windy. She was calling Windy's sister, but the man seems to be alerted that Windy is come back right now. Wang Shu, she's a little bit crying. Woo woo woo. She was holding Windy. Cocotish saw Windy and be with her. "Sister, this black fan, he's just teasing me." Windy said to Wang Shu, "It's okay now, it's okay." The man in the police seems to be surprised. Police is asking the man about her ID card, so they can check him. Who is the person behind this culprit? Right now, Wang Shu, she was calling the police and said, "It's him. Don't let him run away." The police become alerted. They hold down the man. "Do not move. I didn't tease her. You're wrong. She's still acting." Trust this man. The black van is already arrested. It was Windy consoling her. She was still hugging Wang Shu. At this moment, looking at Wang Shu. "Sister, I'm so scared. Don't be afraid." "What the? You are dramatic. There will be no good at the end." Thank you for supporting me, Dayang. Thank you for joining membership today. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.